In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox VC not working on mobile devices. So this could be due to multiple different reasons. And the first thing you want to do is you want to check your device permissions. So sometimes your device permissions will not allow you to use voice chat. So in order to change it, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your system settings. By the way, this will also work on iOS devices, but the UI just might look slightly different. So you just want to go ahead and open up the settings app. Then you want to go to the search bar and type in apps just like so. And then eventually you just want to go ahead and press on apps right over here, and then from here all you need to do is you need to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see Roblox, which you should be able to find relatively easily. All right, so here's Roblox, so let's go ahead and press on that just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select over here where it does say permissions, and where it says allowed, you need to make sure that camera and microphone are actually on the allowed part. So basically you want to go ahead and find it, and you want to give Roblox permission to use your microphone, because if Roblox doesn't have permission to use your microphone, then voice chat is not going to work. So guys, please make sure that you do have this 100% correct. Alright guys, but that is not all. There's still a couple reasons why voice chat may not be working. So the next reason why voice chat could not be working is the game support. So keep in mind, not all Roblox experiences support voice chat. So you want to check the game's listing on Roblox to confirm that it supports voice chat. You can also ask other players in the game if they're using voice chat, and typically they will give you an answer over here. So yeah, it's a little bit unfortunate, but not all Roblox games actually allow us to use voice chat. So please guys, keep that in mind. So a game like this, for example, 100% does have voice chat. So let's go ahead and join it right over here. Okay guys, so here we are in a Roblox game. And all right guys, so here we are in a Roblox game. So if you're still running into issues, then what could be the problem is the actual game settings that you're on. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the Roblox icon just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on settings just like so. All right, now over here, you want to make sure that the input device and the output device is correct. So for me at the moment, it is just the Android output over here, which actually does get the job done. But if you're on iOS, it might be slightly different. So go ahead and fiddle around with it and test out different like input devices or output devices until one does work. And typically that will actually fix the job. Also, please make sure you do have your volume up whenever you're playing voice chat on Roblox, but just keep that in mind. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.